If you're here, you probably already realized that having an email newsletter go out on a consistent basis is one of the best ways to grow your business. It has one of the best return on investments, but it's a pain to consistently do that. I put a link below to this new tool, Keegan AI, that basically allows you to take any YouTube video and turn it into a newsletter for your business. So I'm just going to pretend that I own a lawn mowing business, right? Or a landscaping business. Now, a very natural thing for me to do would be to send a newsletter about things related to lawn mowing. So I have a YouTube video here that I've copied the link for that talks about 5 lawn mowing tips. So instead of me having to write my whole newsletter, all I'm going to do is post in this YouTube video. I'm going to call this lawn mowing tips newsletter. And then option selected, I can do punchy human, which is the option I'm going to go with, classic mode that takes a little bit longer, or specialized newsletter. For most of us, punchy human is going to work best. You can select the quality and it makes sense to go with ChatGPT 4. So now I'm going to start generating this. And basically what's going to happen is this is going to write my newsletter for me based off of a relevant YouTube video. So I don't have to sit down and type up a whole newsletter and figure out what it is I want. Again, I just put the link down below to this tool. It's got a free 7-day trial, so it's totally worth checking out. It's only $29 a month after that. But for your business, this combined with your like Constant Contact or MailChimp gives you a great way to stay in touch with your customers on a regular basis. So now all I have to do after this is done, and this is where newsletters are going to, so it doesn't need to be this fancy design thing. You can just literally copy and paste this into your email newsletter and send it, right? So, hey there, spring is here. You know what that means? It's lawn mowing time. First off, when grass is wet, don't mow. Second, you've got to follow the 1/3 rule. Don't cut more than 1/3 of the grass leaf at a time, right? So now this is all about tips. I could send this out in the spring for my newsletter. I could even use any of these modifiers. So if I don't like this, I could regenerate it. I could shorten it. I could make it longer. I could add emojis. I could kind of change the personality too. So if I want it to be written in, let's just say I want to be like funny about it, right? I could change it over and make it funny. I could translate it to a different language if that's pertinent to you, if you have customers in different countries or different languages. And now you can see it's generating a whole different tone. So you can play around with what you want. You don't have to write this at all. You don't even have to come up with anything. Just go to YouTube, search for things relevant to your business type, paste them in, and it'll generate your newsletter. You copy and paste that into your email service provider, and then you're good to go to send your newsletter. So it'll take you just a couple minutes to send out that newsletter every single week or every single month, keep you in touch with your customers, position you as the expert, do everything that you wanted to do, right? So now I've got a funny version of this. So again, click on that link below if you're interested, but this is how you can generate newsletters using YouTube videos and AI for your small business on a regular basis.